Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another video. This one is gonna be different. This one's gonna be exciting. I am traveling to Pune today to see my cousin, my bestie. I'm going to see her for a few days, and I've been looking forward to this trip forever. And I thought I would vlog it because why not? Honestly, I really enjoy vlogging, all the reading vlogs that I do, and I thought I could make a travel vlog of sorts. And I do intend to read as well on this trip as much as possible. So we will be reading as well. But I just thought I'd vlog the trip because this one's gonna be very special to me. Juhi and I are incredibly close. Our birthdays are one day apart, so we've known each other our entire lives. We are truly like we used to refer to each other as soul sisters when we were younger. Honestly, at this point, we can go like a maximum 6 months without seeing each other. And she lives so close to me. I'm in Mumbai and she's in Pune. And I just figured it's time to take a trip. Honestly, I have not been doing too well mentally, and I need to pick me up, and she's the perfect person for it. So, yeah, we're going to Pune. It's about to be 8 a.m. I'm gonna eat something, do my final preparations, and then leave because I have a bus to catch at 10:30. Let's go. Okay, guys, we have reached the bus stop. I'm an hour early. Never happened before. Honestly, good. Proud of myself for being early for once. The buses are gonna be here. So I thought I'll just sit here in the waiting room and read a book. I'm thinking of reading The Naturals. This is the book, The Naturals by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. The Naturals by Jennifer Lynn Barnes. I read The Inheritance Games by her earlier this year and I quite enjoyed it, really liked it. And people have told me, a lot of people that know me and online chatter as well that I've seen, a lot of people have told me that The Naturals is better than The Inheritance Games. And a friend of mine said that I will prefer this for sure. So I'm excited to get to it. It's a short read. Hopefully, I'll finish it on the bus ride. I don't know. My attention span can vary a lot. So I will probably be switching between a few books. I have this. I have Just for the Summer, and I also have Fourth Wing because I feel like rereading it for the fourth time this year. Every time I'm feeling low, I gravitate towards rereading my favorite books, and Fourth Wing is the fourth time I've come to this book. So, yeah, those are the options I have to read. And obviously, I'm also reading an OBX fan fiction. So, I have quite a few things to keep me occupied. But as of now, I'm going to start with The Naturals. Now I'm vlogging. What's up, guys? I reached Juju's place and we exchanged gifts and we opened everything and then we realized we didn't vlog anything. So, yay! Great vlogging job so far. This is the mess that we've created. This is all mine. This is all hers. And this is all mine. Dude, she got me a Patrick Ta palette. Stop it. Stop it. Stop it. Oh my god. This is dream. My dream. Look at this. Oh, it's too cute. I'm gonna do a better job of vlogging now. We were too busy talking. The gossip does not stop with us. Like, not even a second. So, yeah, we're gonna do a better job of vlogging. We're gonna make lunch. Then we're gonna go out. So, we're gonna have a good time today. You'll see more of that later. She's trying bangs for the first time. They're not real.
How do they look?
But I think they look good. Like with her straight hair especially, I think it goes.
I naturally have like curly hair.
Yeah, but I think with the straight hair, definitely goes. Chicken. Juhi made chicken. It looks really good. It smells good too. And the rice is cooking. So update. We burned the chicken because we were too busy about makeup. Too much time gossiping. Oh my god. You won't get to see this chicken. In fact.
You really wanted to try chicken from
I
my
really
house?
wanted to. She
We'll
was
make
like,
again.
I've never had her chicken, and I was like, Ki, yeah, we'll try chicken for the first time, Juhi ka chicken and all that, and now
Juhi ka chicken.
Juhi ka banaya hua chicken. Oh my god! All right, this is like burnt, dude. If you could smell it right now, what is wrong with us? We almost burnt the rice as well, by the way.
Yeah.
Just almost saved it just in time. So this is.
And without lipstick.
We're ordering food now because such is life. We're going out. We're gonna go to this place called FC Road, walk around, maybe shop. I don't know honestly what the vibes are. And then we're gonna come home and make ramen. So, casual little outfit. These are the vibes. Glasses. Ooh. Oh, the white shades. These are, I think, the exact ones that I have.
Yours are a little more pointy, I think.
Yeah. Sick. We bought hair dye because we're gonna dye each other's hair tomorrow. We got 3 different colors. I'll show you a haul at home. Ice cream.
I've been thinking about myself today. Thinking how I changed. How I really don't care if you are here or if you don't stay. Now I'm feeling those winter blues, but I don't wanna cry. 'Cause all we ever do is laugh it off, and I'm sick and I don't know why. Do you remember that night we met? I thought you looked so fine. Guess we have to agree to disagree for this one last time. Pretty weird that day when we did not exchange our hellos. I wasn't looking out for you, I'm sorry, I'm so shallow.
Oh my god, look at this. We got these flowers. This is the vase I gifted her, and these are my shades. This is too cool. It's too cool. Should I leave these shades here? No.
Yeah. I think
Absolutely
this
not.
place deserves it.
No, I deserve them. We still have so many flowers left. I don't know what we'll do with
like
them.
so many.
We also got rings. Some
matching
new.
rings.
Both of us are matching. Yeah. So we got a couple of other stuff. We got hair dye. We're gonna dye our hair.
Yeah.
We'll be recording that. That'll be fun. Look at these. We have alien balloons. No, where are you going? Come back. Okay. Glow. Glow. Good morning, everyone. Have been a while since I last spoke to you. Last, I think I showed you that we came back from the market. We didn't really do much. We made ramen. I'll try to insert a clip of it if we have it.
Yeah, so we're eating ramen right now. For the first time, because she made it. Cheers.
And we just had dinner, had a good quiet time, just both of us, because we're meeting after so long. So we just talked away the night, singing songs, laughing, just us, like very typical us behavior. We were up really late as well, so we woke up late. Today's plan is that one of our friends is gonna come over, we're gonna chill with him. Mostly just gonna spend the entire day again just talking, reconnecting, chill with her friend, and then tonight we're going out to party. So that's gonna be fun. I'll show you guys bits of that as well. But right now, I want to talk about the book that I was reading. I am more than halfway through the book. Like, I think I have less than 100 pages left. I read this all on the bus yesterday and then I took a nap. Yeah, my thoughts so far are a little bit all over the place. I am enjoying the book, like, it is fun. Again, I think this might be my take with all her books, that her main plot, the mystery, is always very engaging and I enjoy reading about that. Everything else, though, feels a little bit here and there. I think the problem I have with the way she writes her characters is that I saw this in the Inheritance games as well, and I see this in this as well. That she tries to make her characters so cunning and sly and slick, and these incredibly smart people, that she forgets to ground them, and that's why these characters are enjoyable, but they're not people that I can feel like they're genuine, real people. And because they don't feel grounded, I don't feel any kind of attachment or just really anything for them. Because of that, anything that they're going through, I don't feel the heaviness or the impact of it, because it just don't feel real. And there's a love triangle in this as well. Why did you all not tell me after I complained about the love triangle in the Inheritance games? Why didn't anyone tell me that this also has a love triangle? Can she stop with the love triangles? And especially, like, my issue with her is she's clearly smart enough to write such engaging, brilliantly well done plots, but her characters are so lackluster and so one dimensional. Like, once again, the two boys that we have here, one of them is clearly the broody bad guy, and then the other is the cocky sunshine guy. Like, come on, can we stop putting all the characters into these boxes? The main girl in here and Avery in Inheritance Games could really be switched out. Like, there's no, her characters are all the same. So it's really irritating in that sense. And the love triangle, especially in this one, I feel like that her relationship with the boys and the other members has like progressed a lot faster in comparison to even the Inheritance games. So I'm just like, the amount that she feels for them, or the way she feels like bad for them or connected to them, I'm just like, we haven't seen enough of that for me to feel a kind of connection between you guys. So yeah, if I haven't told you what the book is about, it's about these kids who are called naturals because they have these kind of abilities, not magical abilities, but just enhanced kind of senses that other people don't have. And the FBI runs a program where they recruit these kids to help them in cold cases. And there's a cold case that they're working on that has just become hot, and that's what we're working on. And the main characters have their own family shit going on as well, and like I said, love triangle is going on. All of that I'm just very iffy about, but the main plot I'm enjoying, so I will definitely finish the book. I'm curious to see the other books as well, because like I said, I like reading her mystery aspect. Her mysteries are always well done. Basically, what I'm saying is, as much as people made me think that this could be a 5 stars, it's definitely not a 5 stars. But we'll see. We'll finish. Her books usually end on a great note. The climaxes are usually like mind-boggling. So I'm excited to see what the climax of this looks like. But yeah, that's all I had to say. I had to give an update about the book. Right now, we're gonna make some food, eat some food, because we haven't eaten yet. We woke up so late. We're gonna chill through the day and let's see how the day goes. So this is our breakfast slash lunch.
Brunch.
We got posters last night to decor her room. That's Venom. Lana Del Rey is here.
And then we have like some music.
Yeah, that's really cool. I really like this one. She has a huge wall above her bed, which is empty right now.
Yeah.
Desperate
For
in
you.
need of something. Yeah, for me. We're ready. We're going out to this place, which is like called Solos. Yeah, which is like an ice cream and a bookstore kind of a place. It's supposed to be really cute. Louis, you can tell them.
Yeah, it's
We're-
supposed to be really cute.
We're a little bit of a mess.
It's picking stuff up.
So
These are my glasses, by the way.
yeah, they look cute. I got my
I think I look
shades.
cute.
Yeah. See? Everyone compliments
See, this is
her
something-
because she looks gorgeous.
This is something she gifted me. See, we have the same.
matching ones. Sagittarius gang.
And we've
Some
gotten
ice
dressed
cream.
up just to go to a bookstore and
yeah.
have ice cream.
Because why not? Because why not? We decide the vibe, dude. So that's that. Then we'll come back, get ready again. for a party. So, chalo, let's go. Monkey is this mirror. Like, do you see? This is so trippy. I don't like this.
Feeling sicker than you know. Killed a bird without a stone. Talk to throw a bone. For a while, I'm sleeping like a babe. The curiosity. Keep the cat alive, you see, you see, you see. So leave me stranded on the carpet.
Okay, we're getting ready now to go out to party. So we're doing our makeup right now. Gonna have some fun. Chaos already. She can't find her color corrector. Because we're running late,
Of course.
but I'm sick. I will probably put in a video of our outfits later because this is not it. But yeah, we're ready. We look cute. We're ready to party. Good morning everyone. Day 3, haven't vlogged at all. I think it's about to be 2 p.m. Haven't vlogged at all. You saw what happened at the club. We had a good time and then we came home. Did not really do much after that. Didn't vlog that either because honestly coming home was a trip. There were some boys who were making us feel uncomfortable. Men, right? Yeah, then we spoke a lot, talked a lot. We slept by like 5 or 6 a.m. today. So we obviously had a late morning again and we're gonna be doing just lunch again. We just got ready quickly as fast as we could. This is what my makeup looks like. I'm really liking it. I'll show you my outfit as well in a second. We're getting ready. We're going to this place called Cam Burgers. They're supposed to have really good burgers. So just like a casual lunch out is what we're planning. Then we have a lot of aspirations for the night. We hope to come back and dye our hair. I hope it happens and I hope it happens well. That's the plan for today. Today is really like chill. We're not going out too much. Yeah, I don't even know if I'm doing a very good job of vlogging, to be honest. My first time doing this. So let's see how this turns out. I hope it's entertaining enough. At least it'll be for me, I know that, because for me this is more like I'm creating a diary of these memories. So this vlog is more for me anyway, but I hope it turns out well. So yeah, outfits, you can't see the entire thing, but yeah, that's what the outfits look like. Hair is a mess. It's fine. I think it looks good on camera. That's all that matters. hair is endless, okay? Are you seeing this? We look so cute. The lighting is so good. Big ones. Oh man. Guess who's back in the wonky lift once again? Day 3.
Our roads and always felt so pretty. No one's sending postcards from the
That's where we're going for the burgers. We finally found the spot. It's mad. After an hour, it's like mad out here. Watch.
And this is not even the worst of it.
Yeah, this is not the worst of it. This is better. So
It's gotten better.
It's gotten better. So we finally got a seat. Now we'll get our food also eventually.
town every day. Spite of this, I always try to fit in. It consume my head, I hate this feeling. I wanna be a paragon, not a villain.
Food. It's like huge. Like look at the size of this. It's huge. We're gonna share it.
It's new from the day we met. I'll be with you. The first time you said that you love me too. Couldn't mess without you. I'm hollowed out, so I packed my things and we moved down south. We shared a room in a foreign house. This will take some time, but it's what it's all about.
Honestly, at this point we're so hungry. We'll eat anything.
We're having breakfast at 4.
Breakfast
20.
at 4. 4:20?
23.
Breakfast at 4:23. So living the wildlife. I guess.
What it is.
It's what it is. I just want to show you guys the area we're in. It's like, wait. It's like really old Pune vibes. This is not the kind of area we've been in so far. I've been thinking it kinda reminds me of some old parts of Mumbai a little bit. Yeah, so now we're gonna head out, we're gonna drive around, then we're gonna go home. I don't know what the plan is, we'll see. Our second time arriving to this place because this is now our happy place. Okay guys, it's our second time back at the same ice cream place. Yeah, we're here to pick ourselves up basically.
Yeah. After a very tiring day.
Yeah, it's been a tiring day. It's been a lot. We had to stand in a lot of queues. I got my ticket back to Bombay, but we waited an hour in line.
In the wrong line.
In the wrong line. An hour. I got to the ticket window and the guy says, "Oh, your ticket is not gonna be from here. You have to go all the way across to the other place." And the other place gave us a ticket in 5 minutes. We wasted an hour for nothing, standing in that long ass queue. Oh my god. And then
In such weather.
in such weather, and even like Camp Burgers food was great, but we had to wait a long time to get a seat there and it was super crowded.
Yeah, we waited an hour to get like a seat.
Yeah, we waited an hour.
And we waited like 15 minutes to get there to the
Yeah.
order.
Right, exactly. 15 minutes to get the order, 1 hour waiting to get a seat. It's been a lot of tiring stuff, especially after the last 2 days. The go that's been on. We're a little bit exhausted.
This is like the first time we are on the go. Every time we meet, we just like chill.
Chill, exactly.
Stay home, we stay in bed, we talk.
Yeah.
But this time around, we were like, it's
No,
go.
we have to do things this time. We can't just
Plans
laze
to go
around.
out.
Exactly.
And we follow through.
Yes. So far we've done everything we planned to do.
We've talked about everything we plan to talk
Yeah,
about.
we've talked about everything
For
we
the
needed to
first
talk
time.
about. We've covered everything. So we aren't being lazy. So good on that. But we are slightly exhausted. We'll see what tomorrow's plan looks like. But as of now, we're gonna have ice cream and we're gonna go home. Oh my god, my bangs. So yeah, we're gonna get have ice cream, go home and chill. So we're back home. I didn't record my ice cream because we were just too exhausted and we just wanted to chill. But now we're home, finally home. We got dinner already as well from the same place we had lunch at. So we don't have to cook anything. We're all like chill. Just gonna have a night in, and we plan to sleep a lot. We plan to wake up late tomorrow and actually get a good number of hours in for sleep because we're exhausted, and tomorrow is my last full day here. So that's what's up for now. Good morning, everyone. Yeah, not good morning, I guess. Good.
4.
It's 4 p.m. Wow. Okay. So we had a late night yesterday. Actually, not very late. We slept earlier than we have been.
Yeah,
We slept by. Yeah, exactly. That's early for us. We had a cozy night and we slept. But we've been so tired. We woke up really late and we've just been lazing the entire time. I haven't vlogged anything because we've done nothing. Like, truly, when I say nothing, we have done nothing. Yeah, we cleaned the house. We're like, she's making chicken. We're just being very domestic. That's all. Yeah, not much to say. We're gonna watch a movie right now, probably. We might go out in the evening, shayad se.
Yeah.
We
We will go out.
Yeah, we'll go out in the
We'll
evening.
just like go out to chill.
Yeah, just to
Sit
chill.
somewhere, but for the vibes.
Yeah, I think we're gonna go to a bookstore
air.
and get ice cream because we've been going to a bookstore and getting ice cream every day this trip. So we have to keep it up. Yeah, as of now, that's the plan. We'll chill in the evening. So I'll catch you guys there probably.
Or while we are making chicken.
All while we're making chicken. I should vlog that. I don't know what I'm so lazy today. It's not even funny. Everything is just. I feel like our systems have slowed down after everything we've done the past 3 days. So, yeah. See you whenever I see you. Okay, guys. I forgot that we were supposed to dye our hair as well. So yeah, that's what we're doing. We ordered the blonde, the developer, all of that, and now we're gonna dye our hair. It's like 7 in the evening. I don't know why it keeps feeling like it's a lot later than 7 p.m. But so we're gonna dye our hair. We're gonna start with me. Juhi's gonna bleach me first, then I will bleach her. And I don't know.
We're in the washroom, by the way.
Yeah, we're in the washroom because
Because I live in a rented apartment.
yeah, and we're gonna be nice to our landlords. So this is the aesthetic we get today. Lovely. So far, this is what Juhi's done.
Let's hope that
Really
that's
good job. Yeah, I think it'll be good. It'll be good for sure. Okay, guys, this is the finished effort. I love that. So now she's gonna wash it out. Hers has blonded almost completely. So she's gonna wash it out, and then we're gonna wait and see if I can wash mine. We ordered
Hopefully.
pizza, so that's gonna be nice.
Yeah.
Pizza and garlic bread. We did some money pieces for her as well. This is the first time doing it, so it's gonna be fun. First time doing it in the sense like the money piece. Okay, so a little context. Okay, I have dyed my hair since like 2018. I've done like pretty much every color possible, so I'm pretty used to
I've
this.
done since
She has dyed her hair
2020.
since 2020, so she's also done quite a lot of colors and stuff. So we're pretty familiar with this, but we haven't dyed our hair in a while, both of us.
Yeah.
So we thought it's time, and since both of us like to do it, we thought we'd do it for each other, and we're experimenting today. So that's what this is, context for you guys. But yeah, I'll show you guys what her hair looks like after it's washed out. This is our food. We're not very impressed with the way it looks, but it is what it is. And we're continuing our movie. It's a horror movie called The Others. We'll let you know what we think of it once we finish it. Okay, so update. Things haven't gone according to plan as much, at least on my end. The bleach hasn't worked as well, so things are mostly brown instead of blonde. I think I'm against the light right now, but yeah, this is kind of what it's looking like. I doubt any color is gonna show up, but we'll try to dye the hair a little bit. We'll try to dye the hair a little bit anyway in some time. Juhi's though, her blonde has come out really well. This is what her blonde looks like. It's looking great. Like the perfect kind of blonde. The colors are gonna go on really well on her hair.
Just the money that nice.
Yeah, the money pieces though, again, same issue as my hair. Very brown, so also probably will not pick up as much color. So that's what we're here with. We're also very tired. Like we almost don't want to do it, but we have no choice but to do it tonight because tomorrow morning I leave. So okay guys, I'm done taking a shower. It's 2:30 in the morning. It took us far too long to get all of this wrapped up, and as you can see, nothing's really happened. Probably in the morning we might see a few browns or greens, clearly some browns. But for the most part, didn't really work, kind of a fail. Honestly, at this point, I'm so tired. I don't really care. I'll go home and I'll try again on my own with a different bleach because this bleach clearly wasn't very good. I just finished packing and stuff, so I'm gonna honestly try to sleep now in a while because I am genuinely just so exhausted. We spent way too much time and we started too late. That's our own fault. But I'm excited to see Juhi's hair. I think hers gonna turn out great because her hair was blonder as you saw, and the color gradient that I've made, like it looks really nice. I think she'll have like mermaid hair possibly. So I'll show you her results in the morning. Let's hope at least that turns out nice. And then that'll be a wrap on the trip. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning for one final time. Good morning, guys. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Her hair, this is how it's turned out. It's a little disappointing, but she'll fix it later. So this is what her hair looks like. Honestly, doesn't look bad on camera, but IRL, the pink has really disappointed us, and it honestly looks like an incomplete job.
Yeah, it looks like we've left patches here for no reason.
Yeah, exactly. So she'll fix it on her own. I'll fix my hair on my own. Whatever, I guess. Last morning together. Gonna eat quickly and then we're gonna go catch the bus. So yeah, this is what our breakfast looks like. Nice little sandwiches Juju made. I'm probably not audible right now, but we have reached the bus stop. We're waiting for our bus. This is my ticket. Yeah, we made pretty good time. We are pretty punctual with this kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Hopefully won't have any
You don't
issues
like the
from here on. Because last time, so what happened last time was we had chosen a different bus stop that doesn't have a bus stand.
We did not know that it doesn't have a bus stand, by the way.
Yeah,
We thought we were just supposed to stay near the landmark,
exactly. Their system is fucked up.
and then I had to chase the bus and stop it.
Yeah, because we weren't sure. We missed a couple of buses and then we were like, is that the bus is supposed to be on? We got on the scooty, put the suitcase back on, chased after it, asked them to stop the bus, and then I got on it.
You're welcome.
Yeah.
We couldn't even say goodbye last time.
Yeah, we were just like,
honestly.
okay, bye, bye, bye. This time, we're doing a lot better. And now
Because
it's
this is
a
a proper bus stop.
Yeah, proper bus stop. As proper as it can be, honestly. Now it's just a waiting game for the bus to arrive for me to get on.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry, girl, you just don't make me feel right.
Hi everybody, I got new hair. Oh my god. So I've done pink and blue at the bottom, which honestly the camera is just not doing it justice. It's a very pretty, very bright blue that my camera unfortunately is just not catching. But yeah, I fixed the hair. I honestly took a while. Okay, I'm gonna be very honest. That day, once I came back home, I went to sleep and never finished the vlog. It's been over 2 weeks since I saw you last. I think you could clearly see that I was feeling really drained and I did not do a very good job of vlogging that last day, especially. But honestly, it's my first time vlogging, so I'll cut myself some slack. But yeah, there wasn't really much to say. I came back home, was super tired, so I'm just here to finish off the vlog. Honestly, I want to quickly talk about the naturals that I finished while I was on my way back. My overall views, I'm not very impressed, to be honest. I did have fun. It's not like I had a bad time reading it. I feel like the mystery itself was fantastic. It got really dark towards the end as well, which I did not expect, and definitely darker than the other books I've read by her. So that was fun. I like my mysteries to be dark. So the entire mystery plot, honestly, that in itself was done really well. But everything else, like I spoke about the characters, the way she builds her character dynamics, all of those things, I'm just really not happy with. And like I said, like the two boys were basically Grayson and Jameson, is what it is. Michael is clearly the impulsive boy who's really cheeky, but can be vulnerable. Dean is the exact opposite of him. I just, they also have this pseudo sibling dynamic between both of them. So it felt really weird. Honestly, I really could not care less about the romance in the book. And also just the way she writes dialogue between all of them. Like, seriously, after a point, I was like, can these people just talk to each other? I need them to just talk normally. They're always so cryptic with each other and always talking in questions with each other. Like, just have one normal conversation amongst you guys. Otherwise, this entire found family thing you're trying to sell to me, it's not happening. That's what I feel about the book. But I wasn't like having a bad time. I wasn't frustrated when I was reading it. And I am reading the second book because I want to continue with the mystery. Like I said, I loved the mystery and I really want to know ahead. So I am reading the second book. So we will go through the series, but I don't have as high an opinion of this as everyone else seems to have. That being said, we come to the end of this video. Honestly, what an amazing trip. I'm gonna be real for a second. I took this trip because I really needed it mentally. I was not in a very good place, and she's always been my pick me up in life. So I was like, this is the perfect time to go and see her. And once I came back, some other shit went down in my life, and I feel like life's just been throwing a curveball after curveball at me. But I will say, if I hadn't taken this trip and what happened post the trip had happened without having seen her, I probably would not have been coping as well either. I feel like there was some sense of strength that I regained from this trip, or just some sense of refreshment, um, to be able to bounce back into my reality and my life, which I really needed. And I'm just so glad that I saw her, that we got to like spend a few days as just us without our families around. Usually we do have our families around because obviously we're family, but this was just us, and I felt like it was really needed for me personally. And I'm gonna see her soon again, and we plan to take many trips in the future again because like this has to be a thing. I'm glad I took this time out for myself. This entire year, I haven't really traveled at all. I haven't been out. I've been keeping to myself mostly. I think it was high time I take myself out of the house and do something other than, ponder about my own life. So I'm proud of myself. And I'm also happy with the way the vlog has turned out. For me personally, I think it's going to be nice to look back at. So yeah, I don't know. I don't know how this vlog is. I don't know if you guys will enjoy this vlog or if this was entertaining enough for you guys. But for me, this really meant something. I kind of hope that I get to do vlogs like these again in the future. I would do as many as I could if it was in my hands. If I financially could travel as much, I would do these all the time. And that's about it, honestly. That's all I have to say. So, if you watched so far, thank you so much for watching and engaging. I think you might have gotten to see a different side of me, and hopefully, we can keep building on this connection. If you want to follow me on my socials, all linked down below. New video will be coming up soon. My last wrap up for the year will be coming up really soon. Very excited for that. So, stay tuned for more videos, and thank you so much for watching.